Today, raids were conducted by myself, that is Mamredar of Bicholim Taluka, along with mines official. Mines official had submitted a report to me that illegal sand extraction and transportation is going on in Kotambi, Amona, and some areas of Bicholim Taluka. So, surprise raid was conducted early morning, along with mines official by myself. At around 8 o'clock, we had proceeded at the site in question, and we had attached one truck. We had found one truck transporting sand illegally in Bicholim Taluka. So we had attached that truck, and the custody of that truck has been given to the Bicholim police station, and it has been handed over, and appropriate action will be taken by the mines official under the relevant provisions of law against the miscreant who are indulging in this illegal extraction and transportation of sand. Similarly, I had inspected Amona area. There we had found some stacks of sand stored on the land. So that also report we have submitted to the Bicholim police station to keep strict vigil in the area and take stringent action against the miscreants who are involved in illegal extraction of sand and transportation of sand in these areas. Kotambi also inspection was carried out by myself, but there no miscreants were present who were extracting the sand or transporting the sand.